Assalamualaikum, hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ricky Laltia. So today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite East African stew known as creamy coconut chicken. In Kiswahili we call it Kuku wanazi. So without further ado, let's start with this recipe. So the first step, you're going to add your chicken into a pan or a pot. Then you're going to add a tablespoon of tandoori masala, a tablespoon of curry powder, a pinch of turmeric, garam masala, a tablespoon, salt to taste, ginger and garlic paste, a tablespoon, black pepper, some lemon juice a bit, and one Maggi cube. Mix everything together until the pieces of chicken are fully well coated. Then cover. You can let it to marinate, or you can just cover like me and then let the chicken to cook until it becomes nice and tender. While the chicken is cooking, you're going to slice your onions. I've used 4 large of onions, and then you're going to fry them until they're beautiful golden brown color and crispy like so. Once ready, you're going to set them aside and we will use them as our final garnish. So meanwhile, our chicken is ready, fully cooked and tender. Using the same pan, you're going to add your canned tomatoes. I've used the canned ones, but you can use the fresh ones. Then you're going to add some Maggi cube or jumbo, sprinkle a bit of salt, and you're going to pour some oil and then let the tomatoes to cook until they become soft. Then next, you're going to pour 1 can of coconut milk, approximately 200 milliliters, and let it to simmer until the sauce becomes fully creamy and thick like so. Then lastly, we're going to add our cooked chicken to the coconut sauce. Stir everything well and let the chicken to cook for approximately 5 minutes so that the chicken can absorb all this delicious flavor. And our creamy chicken sauce is ready, and serve it in a dish. And lastly, you're going to garnish them with some fried of onions. This is going to be super incredible delicious. You can eat along with some chapati, ugali, rice, or anything that you like. And if you've enjoyed this recipe today, please kindly don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my delicious recipe. And see you next time. Bye.